Alright, the co-diagnosis between mental health and substance use disorders varies from each country but can be stringed together with the policies that are in place, which are ineffective drug policies and various other ones. Within the table 6.3 table and graph, we can see that the admissions of inpatient stays within France the highest amount of admissions, giving a lower mortality rate with substance use disorder, while Russia has a high mortality rate because of the policies that deny a lot of medical necessities. Unlike France, that do not punish even the minor crimes, which can cause a misuse of drug use, causing a higher mortality rate from the lack of education in drugs. Portugal has a high access to medical attention, which do not come out of the patient's pockets. Therefore, patients are seen and not ignored by the state, which France and Portugal and the United States offer. Although the United States is a country that make patients pay for their medical treatment when seen at the mental health facility, while France and Portugal offer these services for free if the crime is made. I believe that the data that I've seen from each country that United States nonprofit organizations can learn from is creating policies that do not penalize the people from jail time to substance use disorders and mental health issues that can help lower mortality rates from substance abuse. Creating and reforming laws within the decentralized governments will help address issues that have been left to leaving patients in facilities and instead having services provide help with the mental health, which nonprofit organizations can help support. All right, thank you.